1 hour versus 4 hour french fries. For the 1 hour french fry, peel and cut russet potatoes into thin batons and soak in water for 10 minutes to wash off the starch. We're going to be frying in duck fat because life is too short to be worrying about calories. Pat the potatoes dry, then fry for about 5 minutes at 300 Fahrenheit until just starting to color. Drain, then place the fries in the freezer for 30 minutes to dry out the exterior. Now heat the duck fat to 350 Fahrenheit and fry until GVD. Season with salt, and that's your 1 hour french fry. For the 4 hour fries, start by bringing a pot of water to a boil. Meanwhile, cut russet potatoes into thick batons. Simmer the fries in water until cooked through, about 20 minutes. Then transfer to a wire rack and freeze for at least 90 minutes. Then heat duck fat to 250 Fahrenheit and fry for 5 minutes until a light crust forms. Freeze again for 90 minutes. Now crank up the heat to 350 Fahrenheit and fry for 7 to 8 minutes until the exterior is beautifully crisp. Season with salt, and now it's time for a french fry showdown. 1 hour french fry. Ooh, that's hot. Solid french fry. Duck fat just makes everything so good. But still nicely crisp, fluffy on the inside, perfectly cooked potato. It's just a really good french fry. Now time for the 4 hour french fry. That's really good. That exterior is like shatteringly crisp. And the inside is like mashed potatoes. This is probably one of the best french fries I've ever had. It is close, but I'm gonna give the win to the 4 hour french fry.